I just got off work and I'm sure I look completely a mess, but it's fine because I got Happy Mail today. Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. So this video I'm super excited about. This is my late birthday gift to myself. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it. I'm really excited. So can we guess what it is? Da, 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 da. Alright, I got all of my stuff here. Hopefully I won't have to exchange it. I'm thinking I probably won't. What is this? Oh, I wrote myself a gift message for doing so awesome in life. Also, this is my birthday gift for myself. Look at how pretty. And of course, I forgot my phone to take a picture of the packaging because I'm smart. I will be right. Okay, and we're back. I took my picture, so here it is. I'm so excited to open this. So this has been on my wish list for a while. This is that same gift message, I swear. Oh, nope, just a blank sheet of paper. Okay, that's lovely, thanks. But this has been on my gift list for quite a while, and literally when I was ready to purchase something, I looked on the website because it has been unavailable until now, and then it finally came back in stock. So I was like, it's my moment. Alright. Here she is. Can anyone guess what it is? Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh, you're so pretty. Hello. Look how gorgeous she is, guys. This is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in the Damier Bean print. This is like my print. I love Damier Bean. My Speedy is in this. I've got my key clay in this. I really need to get one of the cosmetic pouches in this too. But, let's see. Here's the strap. I love that it's a really thin strap. That's one problem with my bandolier is the strap on it, how thick it is. It's so uncomfortable to carry. There's that. All the little hickey mabobs, I'll keep those in the dust bag. And, hello, the little other dust bag. Alright, go in. So I am going to put the strap on here. And here she is. Oh, you are so gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. I'm like completely brain dead, so this is probably not as exciting as you were expecting, but it's so gorgeous. Not a scratch on it. It's perfect. I'm so happy to have this bag. So the leather or the zipper on it is buttery smooth. I cannot get enough of this. I cannot wait to start carrying it. I'm probably going to, well, I don't know. The lock is cute there, but I don't know. I may move it. I'll have to figure out where I want to put the lock at exactly. But, oh, it's so pretty. It's just so pretty. Do we like it there? I don't know. I'm going to keep it here for now, but I don't know. Yeah, here she is. She's so pretty. Welcome to the family. If you would have told me like 5 years ago that I would have, how how many pieces do I have? 5 Louis Vuitton pieces. It's just what I dreamed of. I've always loved the Alma, but just recently I've gotten to the BB size just because I don't really carry a lot in my bag anymore, and I've wanted a bag that's like compact but still I can keep all my stuff in it, so this is definitely it. And oh, it's so pretty, and it's got the red interior. But yeah, definitely once she is more used, you know, lived in, I will do a review. But right off the bat, I love that on the sides, like, they put the little cloth so all your stuff can't fall out. And I can't get enough of it. I'm so excited. You are so gorgeous. I just don't know where I want to put the lock. I'm going to have to research that and see other things, like where people keep the lock at. But one of these days I would love to have the clochette right here, hot stamped. That was my unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton Alma BB. I do have a insert coming, and then once I do that, I may also include with this video like what I can fit inside, because I think that those are super helpful along with the unboxings. But this is like one of the smallest Louis Vuitton boxes that I have. Not the smallest, because the one that my Keith Clay came in was really small, but oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Just look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She's gorgeous. You are gorgeous. You see your new sister? I'm delirious. So, I hope that this was enjoyable, and let us get into what I can fit inside my Alma BB. Alright, so here we are with my bag. She is gorgeous, and I did get the insert, but it looks horrible in my bag, so I'm trying to get it returned. But this is the bag that I've been carrying lately, my on the go tote in the GM. It was like the first one that came out, but some of this I'm not going to put in my bag because I don't really use it, but we'll see. So the first thing that I have is my keys and my wallet. Look how gorgeous that looks, by the way. But I've got Luna and Artemis on here as my house keys, and then I've got this little super cute keychain that I got from an Etsy seller. I'll have them linked down below. And I've got my car key, so I'm just going to put that in here. And then next I'm going to have my Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch. This is my first ever Louis Vuitton purchase. Like you can tell, the vachetta on it is getting darker and darker, but I love this thing, so I'm going to put it in here next, hopefully. Come on. I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm not even putting this in. Okay, hang on. I want to put this in here. Well, it's in. I may have to... I don't really carry that much, but I don't know. We'll have to see. Let's see. I need my pen. This is a Pen Gems pen I just got. Super pretty. It's got different colored jewels in it, and then a black base. So I'm going to put that in this little pocket. Why do I have a random spoon in here? Let's see. Appointment card. And what is this? Oh yeah, that was a drawing that one of my kiddos drew me. I've got my COVID vaccination that I got both doses, and some breath mints. need to keep that with me. And I've got my pill case, says because students, and I need to fill that up, so I'm actually going to leave that out. And then gotta put my pocket constitution in here. I think that's all from here that I want to take out. Oh, my sunglasses. Yeah, I want to do some rearranging. Okay, so here we go. I put my pocket constitution. I have my card thing, my sunglasses in their case, breath mints, and then Carmex, and this little roll-on migraine stick that I just keep just in case. And then I'll put my pill case in there once I get it filled up. And then I'll also probably keep my work badge in here too, but I don't have it with me in the moment. Alright, so I hope that you enjoyed this video and that it was informative. If you're looking to get the Alma BB right now, I would say definitely go for it, but let me use it a little bit and I will let you know further if you should buy it or not. But definitely I think you should. But it's so pretty, I can't wait to carry it. So once again, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stick around for other videos that I will have in the near and distant future, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.